Hey guys, we're back with another video and we brought another friend with us. Dun, dun. So we're gonna make another video.
Let's get to it.
And it looks
so weird. Guys, check behind us.
dun, dun, dun. The book.
Oh my god, the snake right there, come on! Wait, what is it?
He's holding the remote, he's gonna change the channel!
Run! Out of here! Go! Papa is... Wait, guys, what do you think was the dinner?
What?
Us!
No, yeah, us. Wait, why is Tad right there? Let's check another room. The black bathroom. Wait, what? What's that? Santa! Dog!
Oh my god.
Chameleon! Get him!
Are there any more?
Scan. Oh my god! It's orange! Dude, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Wait.
Ow.
Hey, is he alive? How is he still alive?
Put him away!
Too many times.
Put him away!
Can I see you?
Guys, I think the walk is done.
Maybe.
We need to check. Here.
Dude. Guys, check around.
Check the bed.
But guys, we need we need a bait. Orange!
He's still alive.
Guys, we need to find a bait so we're safe. Okay? Guys, search around the house.
Why does that keep talking? Why does that keep talking?
Guys,
Go in the bed.
give me the flashlight. I know what to do. I'm going in. Dude, stop. Turn on the light. Going in. No one follow. Guys, search around the house just in case this plan works. Guys, a good base. Get in.
Wait, Orange.
Dude, get in. Get in. Get past here. Go. Dude, get the camera. Go. Under.
Why under?
Cause
What the heck?
what kind of drawing is that? Oh my god.
Bring the camera, Alex.
You have the camera.
Bring the flashlight.
We gonna survive. We're gonna survive under this bed. No, bring it over here. Thank you. Okay.
Who knows if we're gonna live alive?
Okay.
So why are we under the bed again?
For protection.
Doesn't look like much protection to me.
Well, that's all for this time, guys. Bye.